Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Roy Mulanda. Are you alright? Yes, alright. Today in our grade 5 science, we are going to describe physical and chemical chains operationally. All things on earth undergo change. Changes in matter may involve change in appearance, composition, size, and color. Thus, we can say that matter may undergo different changes. Physical change is a change in size, shape, color, texture, and state. In physical chains, there is no new substance formed and the composition of the substance is still the same. Different processes of physical change. Sublimation. Is dry ice really dry? Why it is called dry ice? Dry ice is a solid carbon dioxide. Unlike ordinary ice, dry ice does not turn into liquid. It does not melt. It changes from solid directly to gas without passing through liquid form. This process is called sublimation. Example are naphthalene balls, air freshener. Melting and boiling. Melting is the changing of solid to liquid. Certain substances like candle wax, plastic, and rubber melt at a fixed temperature called melting point or melting temperature. Melting point of substance differ. Some have high melting points, others have low melting points. For a substance to melt, it must absorb some heat. Evaporation. The drying of clothes was caused by a process called evaporation. It is the changing of liquid to gas or vapor. For a liquid to change into gas, heat is needed. Heat causes the molecules to move faster. Condensation. The water vapor cools and changes into droplets of water, which eventually form the clouds. The process of changing vapor or gas into liquid is known as condensation. Freezing. Another physical change of water is freezing. Substances freeze it at fixed temperature. This is called freezing point or freezing temperature. Water freezes to 0 Celsius, 32 Fahrenheit. The best example of water that freezes is water. What do you observe when water in an ice tray is placed in a freezer? The water is an ice tray hardens to form ice. The ice can be formed in different shapes, sizes, and texture than water. But, but both of them are the same substance. A chemical change is the result of a chemical reaction. Your substance is formed in a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction takes place rapidly when atoms and molecules combine with one another and or they break apart. Processes about chemical change. Cooking. Taste and smell are composition of certain food which be changed chemically when combined with other substances. We observe that some vegetables or fruits have acrid or bitter tastes. The acidity or bitterness of some food are changed with mixed with other substances like sugar, salt, and vinegar, giving up a new taste. Raw meat has different taste from cooked meat if the taste, color, and smell of meat have changed after cooking. Then they is change in composition. Therefore, there is a chemical change. Rustic. Rustic changes also the chemical composition or property of a substance. Objects made of metals like iron corrode to form a reddish and powdery substance. This happens when iron contained in the object combines with oxygen and moisture from the air or rain. Burning. Burning also causes a substance to change its composition. Firewood as a fuel, when burned is a change into a new substance forming charcoal or ash. Vehicle use fuels like gasoline and diesel. When engines burn the fuels, the products are harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen oxide. These gases cause air pollution. Anything that is buried changes its property from its original characteristic to a new form. Decaying. Decaying or rotting of substances change their properties and composition. Food, fruits, and vegetables decay or rot because of the bacteria that act on them. These tiny organisms eat up the fruits, food, and vegetables, which become pureed or rotten. Pure food, fruits, and vegetables have molds and foul smell, which are harmful to our health when eaten. If food is left uncovered for a day, something will happen to it. We can automatically know that the food is stale and spoiled due to the presence of bubbles. Ripening of fruits. When fruits ripen, they become sweet in taste. The change in color and taste as well as smell of the fruits are evidence that chemical change had taken place. Fruit ripens easily by using certain chemicals like calcium carbide, calboro. When carbide is dissolved in water, it produces acetylene, an analog of ethylene, a natural fruit ripening agent. When, it, when a fruit is about to ripen, hormone ethylene is developed. Fermentation. It is a chemical change produced by the action of enzyme or bacteria. Enzyme is a complex protein produced by living cells of plants or animals that induces or speeds up chemical reaction, especially the production of carbon dioxide and alcohol by the fermenting of yeast and sugar. Thank you for watching. Please follow and subscribe. Bye.